Hello friends, I am Ragini. Today I am going to show you another version of Dahi Vada which is from South India. It's called THANJAVUR THAIR VADA. So let's start how to make it. So dear friends, you all know what we use for Dahi Vada, Urad dal. So here the Urad dal is ready, which I soaked it for 6 hours and I nicely grinded it. If you want, you can grind it little bit coarse also, that's fine. This is perfect. So you all know the trick, how can you get a nice puffed vadas. So you need to aerate the batter. So now this is already done. In this I am going to add little bit of cumin seeds, very little bit, because we are soaking this in the dahi. So very little bit, and little bit peppercorns. If you want, you can crush it and add it, but this is perfect. Just mix, and little bit salt. Just mix once more. Here the oil is hot, so now I am going to make the vadas. So always keep little bit water beside when you are putting your vadas. So now just dip your hand in the water. So here my vadas are nicely getting fried. So just in between turn it on. See, one thing, when you want nice vadas, make it little bit coarse and little bit thick. Don't make it too thin so that your vadas, when you try to put it, it doesn't come. So little bit thicker, then it would be perfect. So here this color is perfect for our thair vada because we put this in the curd. So it should be little bit lighter in color. If you are frying for regular vadas, then it should be little bit nice golden in color, then only your vadas are going to taste super. This is perfect. So just switch off the flame. So here our vadas are ready. See, nice color. Now take some little bit lukewarm water and just dip this. If you want, you can add little bit salt also, but I have already added salt in the vada, so I am not adding. If you want, you can add. Just soak this for 1 or 2 minutes. Then we are going to squeeze it and remove this. Now after 1 minute, just squeeze in little bit. Be careful, little bit hot. See, nice soft. If you want, you can put the vadas in round shape also. Whichever shape you like, you can. I usually make this dahi vadas or thair vada. When I make the vadas, keep some batter side and make this awesome thair vadas. It's going to taste superb. Now this vadas are ready to go into our curd. So to make this Thanjavur thair vada special, we are going to add first little bit of coconut. This is grated coconut. If you want, you can cut the pieces and directly add it to your grinder, and some ginger pieces. As per your taste, you can add little bit of green chillies and some coriander. Be careful while using the salt because we are adding salt in everything. So be careful, add it very little. This is perfect. So I am going to just blend this. So now our vadas are ready. So we have to make the thair. Thair means curd. So this curd, we will take it in a bowl. Here are coconut, coriander, green chillies and ginger. I made a nice coarse paste out of this. So this also you are going to add into this. It depends on how much you want, you can use it. So I am adding the entire coconut, mix it. This Thanjavur thair vada is nice rich. So we have added nice thick curd and the coconut cream also. So in this, the cream, little bit of lemon juice and just half a teaspoon of sugar. If you want, you can add it, you can skip it also. Once you add everything, just mix and taste it. Little bit of salt. If you want, you can make it little bit thin also, but this is perfect for me. Now the tempering, little bit of oil. So here the oil is nice and hot. Little bit of mustard, urad dal and pinch of hing and 2 pieces of red chillies and little bit of curry leaves. If you want, you can add it, but when you add nice tempering, it's going to enhance your taste. So now here everything is ready. So Why to wait? Just we are going to make our Thanjavur thair vada. So, now here the tempering, we will just put it on top of this curd. If you want, you can keep little bit for the decoration. Just mix it once. Take a big spoon. In a plate, just pour the curd mixture and arrange your vadas, and now on top of it. You need not worry about the softness of your vadas because we have soaked it in nice warm water, so it is already nice and soft. So, lastly, just sprinkle little bit of carrot. You can see how nice green color, and now some little bit of orange color and little bit of coriander, and finally lastly little bit of tempering. Final touch, if you want you can add this nice bundi, otherwise you can skip also. So, awesome thair vada is ready. Why to wait? Just enjoy. This is super and super. This thair vada you can make little bit, you know, a milder version for kids, and this if you serve it little bit chilled, then it tastes really good. This recipe is mind blowing, I am telling you. You have to try this. Try.